Well, as the economy improves, there are still serious concerns about the nation's healthcare system. Tonight, John Blackstone shows us how the debate is playing out in rural California.
California's far northeast corner is different than much of the rest of the state. There are no crowds here, no busy freeways, pine trees instead of palm trees. And when it comes to politics, this is Republican California, a place where many consider Obamacare a dirty word.
So we don't like it here in Northern California.
My opinion anyway, our opinion.
Matthew Adkins, who drives a logging truck, bought health insurance as the Affordable Care Act requires.
That's cost me roughly $7,000 in 2 years. And you know how many times I've been to the doctor in the last 2.5 to 3 years? Once. One time.
But just a couple of blocks away, at the only medical clinic in the small town of Bernie, there's a much different view of the Affordable Care Act. This clinic is courtesy of the Affordable Care Act?
This clinic is courtesy of the Affordable Care Act.
Dave Jones is CEO of Mountain Valleys Health Centers, a nonprofit that runs 6 rural clinics covering 6,000 square miles.
The Affordable Care Act has really changed our uninsured rate from about 20% down to about 5% of our patients. The ACA probably on an annual basis has brought in a couple $1 million a year and about a $10 million operation. That's a significant amount.
That has helped Mountain Valleys build one new clinic and improve others.
Yeah, this is a dental clinic. We just opened this up in January.
Norma Kootenai gained health coverage under Obamacare's expansion of Medicaid, which she calls a lifesaver.
Because I've got diabetes and I just have a few things going on.
What do you think about Obamacare?
I don't know about that. You know, I hear bad things.
One of the patients said, you know, I hate Obamacare, but I like the ACA fine.
People can like the Affordable Care Act, but hate Obamacare.
Hate Obamacare, yeah.
Dave Jones says whether or not patients are insured, they will continue to be cared for. But he reminds them that if Obamacare goes away, so too will the Affordable Care Act. John Blackstone, CBS News, Bernie, California.